Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. Today I'm going to be filming a video with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Summer Collection. I got it in PR. It is not out yet. It comes out on the 21st of this month on their website, and then it'll be in stores at their retailers on the 28th. So I'm going to go ahead and do a review, a little demo of me using some of the products. I'll put in swatches that I took. I'll just add them on the screen. And yeah, I'll also let you know all the pricing and everything like that. So let's jump right in. First, I want to just go ahead and show the products in case you're not familiar with what they came out with. And here's the box one of them came in. This is the Shimmer body oil. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. This is the PR package that it came in. Let me open it without dropping it. This is what the inside looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love this box. I'm gonna keep the box. And here is the actual product. It is so pretty. This is going to retail for $38. So it is a little expensive, but I think that's actually a good price for body oils if you compare them to other brands. I'm not really sure. I've never used one before. This is 1.5 fluid ounces. Next, they are coming out with a matte lipstick set, which again, the packaging is so cute. That is the back. It has 4 mini lipsticks. This will retail for $21. So I think that is a good price because you get 4 mini lipsticks. And I will do a size comparison. So here is a regular size Anastasia lipstick compared to the mini. So here's size comparison again. And I'll add all the swatches of these lipsticks and the names of the swatches. But I'll go ahead and just show you. This is Coconut. This is Guava. I love the white packaging. I think it is so cute. They are also releasing 5 loose pigments, which I'm super excited about. I love pigments. And the box that they sent them in, oh, I love. It's so cute. I love the whole white and gold theme they have going on. Look at that. So pretty. So, like I said, they have 5 loose pigments. This is what they look like. My camera will focus. And these will retail for $22 each. So, what I really like about these though, when you unscrew the little cap, there's also a little protector on top, so it's not going to spill right when you open the lid, which is nice because I'm messy. So it has that just extra little packaging. My camera doesn't want to focus on it. There we go. Just to help, and then that closes. And you put the lid back on. So yeah, these will be $22 each. I think they're beautiful. They swatch really nice so far. I can't wait to continue playing with them. I used Desert in the look I posted on Instagram yesterday, and that is also what I'm going to be using today because I'm going to like recreate that look. Should have filmed it while I was doing it, but I was just trying to beat the sun so I could get pretty outside pictures. I did my brows off camera because that's not really the focus of this video, and I didn't want to take too much time. So I'm just going to prime my lids with a little bit of ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and we will jump right into the look. I'm going to take the Soft Glam palette by ABH, and mine is disgusting, I'm sorry, but it is well loved. I have another one that hasn't been used yet that I got in PR, but I wanted to wait until this one is no longer living until I break in the new one. So I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda and just put that all over. And I'm going to be using just some random cheap brush from AliExpress. Because why not? I'll be taking that same brush and just using burnt orange. So I'm gonna do like almost like a spotlight with the pigments and just put it up in the middle, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to darken up the eye with, I'm gonna be using Sienna, Rustic, and Cypress Umber, but I'm only gonna be putting it like on the inner corner and the outer corner. I'm not gonna do like sweeping motions over the whole lid. I'm gonna take a little bit of tempera and just tap that in the middle and bring it up a little bit, just to kind of lighten it up and act as where I'm going to put the pigment. So I'm going to take the pigment in Desert, and it's like this very gorgeous gold. So when I use shimmers or pigments or anything, I like to put a little bit of NYX glitter primer just to help hold it in place and make it pop a bit more. So I'm going to do that because I always do, but I'm also going to use the pigment alone on this side just to kind of see if there's a difference. I'm going to be taking this Anastasia A2 brush to place the pigment. But first I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the glitter primer and just put that where I want the pigment to go. And it also gives it like a tacky base to stick to, so that's nice as well. So I'm just going to pat some pigment in, wipe the brush off, and go back and kind of blend it. Now I'm going to use the pigment on this side with no NYX primer and just see if there's a huge difference. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there is a slight difference. This is the eye that had the pigment primer. This is the eye that had the NYX primer, and this is the eye that didn't. So this one just kind of pops a little bit more, looks a little bit more goldy. This one is more subtle. I'm going to go ahead and do my face. Now I'm going to finish the eye, so I'm going to do the under eye. I'm going to take Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette and run that along my lower lash line. I want this look to be very smoky. Taking a little bit of burnt orange, I'm just going to blend that. I'm just gonna take this dark side gel liner pencil from Anastasia and run it in the waterline. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. This is like one of my favorite setting sprays right now. It is awesome. It makes you look really dewy and it smells good. the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in So Hollywood. And the A23 brush. I'm going to take one of these lipsticks. I have it upside down. I'm going to take Orange Blossom because that's like my favorite so far. It's so pretty and I just feel like it goes with this look really well. So it's just this orangey nude. I think it's like perfect for summertime and it goes with these gold tones so well. But I'm a glossy kind of gal, so I'm gonna put a little bit of a toffee lip gloss on top because that's just how I am. Now for the fun part, the body oil. I just am living for this box. Oh, look at that glow. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you're going to pick up anything from the launch, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what you are going to grab. And again, if I already said this, they launch online on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website on the 21st of May, so in a few days. And they launch in stores at their retailers on the 28th of May, so a week later. So make sure you are ready, grab your products. I don't know, I know the lipsticks are limited edition. I don't know about the rest. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and that's it. That's all I got.